Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you a quick video about freezing rows and columns in Google Sheets. So I have some data in here. A lot of data, so I'm scrolling down. In some point, it's hard to see which column is what because when I'm scrolling down, the labels we have on top, the industry name, number of firms, inventory sales, inventory enterprise value, number of days sales in inventory, they will disappear when I'm scrolling down. It's a little bit nicer if we could just keep this column on top and the row on top all the time. As we scroll down, we can see what the label is. So all we have to do is select the first row on top and go over view. And the first thing you're gonna see is the freeze option. In this case, we're gonna freeze the first row on top. And go ahead to click one row just like that. And that's all I really had to do. So at this point, when I'm scrolling down, the labels are staying on the top. And so I going back there, view, freeze, and then no rows to remove that. So now it's back to its default behavior that we have. And we can also freeze, in addition to this, the columns. So if we had a lot of columns going to the right, we might want to make sure there's a column we care about. Just for example, the industry name and the number of firms, or whatever you want. And again, we need to click the last column you want it to be freeze. And there's a simple option by going to view, freeze, then select the up to current column. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos.